Students, in this session, first of all, the constant vector function definition. If f1, f2, f3 are constant functions, then f equal to f1 I bar plus f2j plus f3k is called a constant vector function. Suppose if f1, f2, f3 are constant functions, then f bar equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3k. Here f1, f2, f3 are constant functions, then f bar equal to f1 I bar plus f2j plus f3k is called a constant vector function. Constant vector function. Suppose if f1, f2, f3 are constant functions, then f bar equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3k are called a constant vector functions. Now, using this definition, solve some problems. Here, suppose some capital A equal to, here suppose some problem capital A equal to t square I minus tj, t square I minus tj plus 2t plus 1 into k, 2t plus 1 into k, comma, and second vector is suppose some capital B equal to some 2t minus 3, 2t minus 3 into I plus j minus tk, minus tk. Here B is equal to 2t minus 3 into I plus j minus tk. Then find here first one is A cross B whole dash, A cross B whole dash, and second one is A plus B. Here addition of two vectors, that means A plus B and modulus of A plus B, and again its differentiation, that means modulus of A plus B whole dash at t equal to 1, at t equal to 1. So now the problem is A equal to t square I minus tj plus 2t plus 1 into k, comma, B is equal to 2t minus 3 into I plus j minus k. Then find the values of A cross B whole dash, and second one modulus of A plus B whole dash equal to t minus 1. So here first given A equal to t square minus I minus tj plus 2t plus 1 into k, and B equal to 2t minus 3 into I plus j minus tk. First of all, A cross B whole dash. This means d by dt of A cross B, d by dt of A cross B. In the last session, the formula of d by dt of A cross B equal to dA by dt cross B plus A cross dB by dt, dA by dt cross B plus A cross dB by dt. In other words, this is A dash cross B plus A cross B dash. So finally A cross B whole dash equal to, it is simply written as A dash cross B plus A cross B dash. Here now given A equal to t t square I minus tj plus 2t plus 1 into k. Now first derivative dA by dt are simply a dash. So first of all dA by dt. So a with respect to partial derivative with respect to t. So with respect to t, 2t t square means 2t I minus with respect to t, t means 1 into j plus 2 into t means 1 plus constant 1 means 0 into k. So finally 2ti minus j plus 2k. This is the value of a dash. Next, now coming to b. Now b equal to 2t minus 3 into I plus j minus tk. Now b dash or db by dt equal to with respect to t, 2t means 2 into 1 minus 0 into I plus 0 minus 1 into k. So finally 2i minus k. This is b dash. Now a cross b whole dash, a cross b whole dash equal to a cross a dash cross b plus a cross b dash at t equal to 1, at t equal to 1. So now at t equal to 1, at t equal to 1, here a equal to, a means t square, so into I finally t my I minus j plus 2t plus 1, that means 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, finally 3k. And b, here b equal to 2t minus 3 into I plus j minus tk, substituting some t equal to 1. So here minus I plus j minus k. Next, a dash equal to, here already a dash means dA by dt. This is 2i minus j plus 2k, that means 2i minus j plus 2k. And b dash equal to 2i minus k, there is no t in this equation, then b dash equal to 2i minus k. Here now a cross b whole dash equal to a dash cross b plus a cross b dash. That means now calculate a dash cross b. Now we calculate a dash cross b, that means det matrix. So this is I and j and k, this is k. Here a dash means at t equal to 1, this is constants 2 and minus 1 and 2. So here b, only b, values of b is minus 1, 1 and minus 1. So it can be simplified, that means that det matrix is applied. So I bar into, this is AD minus BC, so 1 minus 2 minus j into, now 2 minus 1, that means minus 2, minus of minus plus 2 plus k bar into, here k means, so neglecting first row and last column, then 2 minus 1. So finally it is I into minus 1 minus j into 0 plus k into 1. So minus I plus 0j and plus k. This is a dash cross b. Next, second one, a dash cross b plus A cross B dash, A cross B dash. Now A cross B dash equal to that matrix of I, J, K. And here first of all A means 1 minus 1 3, 1 minus 1 3, and B dash means 2 0 minus 1, 2 0 minus 1. Here there is no J vector, then that is called 0, that means 2 0 minus 1. So applying the that value, then I bar into, so this is 1 minus 0, this is the formula of AD minus BC, minus J bar into minus 1 minus 6, minus 1 minus 6 plus K into, here this is row neglecting this column, then 0 plus 2. So finally I into 1 minus J into minus 7 plus K into 2, that means I plus 7J plus 2K. So this is the value of A cross B dash. So this is the value of A dash cross B. A minus I plus K, here I plus 7J plus 2K. Now first one, A cross B whole dash, A cross B whole dash equal to A dash cross B plus A cross B dash. That means A dash cross B, here already we calculate the that matrix, then minus I plus K plus A cross B dash, here I plus 7J plus 2K. That means here I and minus I cancel, then 7J plus here K, and this is plus 2K, finally 3K. This is the value of A cross B whole dash, A cross B whole dash. So students, given here A bar equal to T square I minus Tj plus 2T plus 1 into K, and B equal to 2T minus 3 into I plus J minus K. The first one is given A, first the derivative of A with respect to T, that means dA by dt, means T square means 2Ti minus T means 1 into J plus 2 into 1 constant is 0 into K. So dA by dt means A dash, that means 2Ti minus J plus 2K. Then given B equal to 2T minus 3 into K plus J minus Tk. So B bar equal to dV by dt, that means 2 into 1 minus 0 into I plus 0, and this is 1 into K. So finally 2I minus K. At T equal to 1, the given that at T equal to 1 the value of A, B and A dash and B dash. Now here the formula is A cross B whole dash equal to A dash cross B plus A cross B dash. So first we calculate A dash cross B. So this is data of I, J, K. Here A dash, the elements of constants is 2, minus 1, 2, and the elements of B minus 1, 1, minus 1. So we calculate the that matrix I into minus 1 minus J into 0 plus K into 1, finally minus I plus K. Next A cross B dash, that means that matrix of I, J, K. Here A, the elements of A constants are 1, minus 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 3, and the elements of B dash are 2. Here there is no J, then that is 0, 2, 0, K vector means minus 1, so 2, 0, minus 1. Then applying the that, so we get I bar plus 7J plus 2K. So now A cross B whole dash equal to A dash cross B plus A cross B dash. Now here minus I plus K, and this is I plus 7J plus 2K. So adding we get finally 7j plus 3k. So now now coming to the second. Here second one is modulus of a plus b whole dash. Modulus of a plus b whole dash at t equal to 1. Now consider a and this is b. First of all, a plus b. A bar plus b bar equal to t square I minus tj plus 2t plus 1 into k. This is the value of a. Next, plus b means 2t minus 3 into I plus j minus tk. Now this is here t square I in t square into I, here 2t minus 1 into 3 into I, that means I into t square plus 2t minus 3. Again plus j into here positive 1, here negative t plus k into here 2t plus 1 minus here t. So finally t square plus 2t minus 3 into I bar plus 1 minus t into j plus here 2t minus t, so t plus 1 into k. So this is a bar plus b bar. Now modulus of a plus b. Now modulus of a plus b. So modulus means square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Square root of x square plus y square plus z square. That means square root of. Here the general equation is, suppose r bar equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Then modulus of r bar equal to square root of x square plus y square plus z square. This is the formula for modulus. So modulus of a plus b equal to square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Here x is t square plus 2t minus 3. T square plus 2t minus 3 whole square plus the value of y is 1 minus t whole square plus the value of z is t plus 1 whole square. So here square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Now this means here a plus b minus c whole square. Already we know that a square plus b square plus c square. That means a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So now applying this formula, now a square t square whole square plus b square 2t whole square plus c square minus 3 whole square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab 2 into t square into 2t plus 2bc 2 into 2t into minus 3 plus 2ca 2 into minus 3 into t square. This is the expansion for a plus b plus c whole square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca plus again here a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab and again this is plus t square plus 1 square plus 2t into 1. This is square root of, and now square root of here t power 4 plus 4t square plus 9 plus here 4 into t cube, 4t cube minus 4, 12t. Next minus 6t square. Next plus 1. 4t cube minus 12t, 6t square plus 1 plus t square minus 2t plus t square plus 1 plus 2t. Now square root of t power 4 here plus 4t cube and then the terms of t square here 4t square and this is minus 6t square, this is t square and this is d square, t square plus t square 2t square plus 4t, 6t square is cancelled with 6t square, so there is no t square term. And then the terms of t here minus 12t and this is minus 2 plus 2 cancel, so finally minus 12t. And constants here 9 and this is 1, 10, here 1, finally plus 11. So this is the value of modulus of a plus b, modulus of a plus b. Now modulus of a plus b whole dash. So now modulus of a plus b whole dash, that means the derivative of the vector of a plus b, the derivative of a plus b. So here this is in the form of root x, this is in the form of root x. Suppose d by dt of root x equal to 1 by 2 root x, 1 by 2 root x. Now simplifying, now modulus of a plus b whole dash equal to, this is in the form of root x, that means 1 by 2 root x, the derivative means, that means 1 by 2 into root x, that means root of t power 4 plus 4t cube minus 12t plus 11 into the derivative of x, that means t power 4 means 4t cube plus 4t cube means 12t square minus 12 into 1 plus 0. So finally 4t cube plus 12t square minus 12 by 2 into root of t power 4 plus 4t cube minus 12t plus 11. Now here the cancel, the common element is 2, so cancel with 2, so finally 2t cube plus 6t square minus 6 by root of t power 4 plus 4t cube minus 12t plus 11. This is modulus of a plus b whole dash. Now modulus of a plus b whole dash at t equal to 1, at t equal to 1, then we get here substituting t equal to 1, then 2 into 1 plus 6 into 1 minus 6 by root of 1 plus 4 minus 12 plus 11. So it is simplified by 2 plus 6 minus 6 by root of here 11, 15, 16 minus 12, that means here this is cancelled, so 2 by root 4. So then 2 by 2, that means 1. So finally, therefore, modulus of a plus b whole dash, modulus of a plus b whole dash equal to 1. So students, here first one is a cross b whole dash, that means a dash cross b plus a cross b dash. Here already calculate. Second one is modulus of a plus b whole dash. Here calculate, the value is 1. Hence the problem is solved. Now, next, a partial differentiation definition. Partial differentiation. Here, partial differentiation means, suppose let f equal to, let f bar equal to f bar of p comma q comma t, f bar of p q t be a vector function of scalar variables. Here scalar variables are p comma q comma t, p q t. If the limit function h tends to 0, limit function h tends to 0, f of p comma q comma t plus h, f of p q t plus h minus f of p q t whole divided by h. Limit h tends to 0, f of p q t plus h minus f of p q t whole divided by h exists. It is exists, then the limit is called a partial derivative of f with respect to t. So it is simply denoted by dou f. This is the symbol dou f by dou t. So it is denoted by the symbol dou f by dou t. So first of all, here if f equal to f of p q and t be a vector function of scalar variables p q t, if limit h tends to 0, f of p q t plus h minus f of p q t whole divided by h is exist, then the limit is called a partial derivative of f with respect to t, and it is simply denoted by dou f by dou t. Suppose here the variables p q t, suppose here t is a scalar variable, then p comma q are constants, then it is denoted by dou f by dou t. Here the p q t. So here p q t, consider t is a scalar variable, then p comma q are constants, then it is denoted by dou f by dou t. Suppose another one, here q is a scalar variable, then here P comma T are constants, then it is dou F by dou Q. It is denoted by dou F by dou Q. So another one, P is a scalar variable, then Q comma T are constants, then it is denoted by dou F by dou P. So this is the partial differentiation. What is the difference between differentiation and partial differentiation? Here differentiation means it is a one scalar variable. That means suppose df by dx, df by dx or df by dt, df by dt. This is differentiation. Here partial differentiation means here more than one scalars variables, more than one scalar variable, suppose p, q, t, etc. more than one. So this is dou f by dou t or dou f by dou q or dou f by dou p. This is the partial differentiation. So now coming to some results. If P comma Q, if P comma Q are simply F bar comma G bar. Here F bar and G bar are vector functions. F comma G are vector functions and pi is a scalar function. Pi is a scalar function. Then here dou by dou t of f plus or minus g, dou by dou t of f plus or minus g equal to dou f by dou t plus or minus dou g by dou t. So dou by dou t of f plus or minus g equal to dou f by dou t plus or minus dou g by dou t. Suppose second one, dou by dou t of f dot g equal to, here dot product means already we know that dot and cross products. So this is dou f by dou t dot g plus f dot dou g by dou t. This is dou by dou t of f dot g equal to dou f by dou t dot g plus g dot dou g by dou t. So coming to third point, dou by dou t of f cross g, dou by dou t of f cross g equal to dou f by dou t cross g plus f cross dou g by dou t. So dou by dou t of f cross g equal to dou f by dou t cross g plus f cross dou g by dou t. So another one, suppose dou by dou t of pi f, dou by dou t of pi f. Here f is a vector function, pi is a scalar function. Then here dou pi by dou t into f plus pi into dou f by dou t, pi into dou f by dou t. So another one, here dou by dou t of some scalar lambda f bar constant. So here delta is a constant, so delta times of dou f by dou t. Here delta is a scalar. Delta is a scalar function. Students, here f comma g are two vector functions and pi is a scalar function. Then first one, dou by dou t of f plus or minus g, f plus or minus g equal to dou f by dou t plus or minus dou g by dou t. And second one, dou by dou t of f dot g equal to dou f by dou t dot g plus f dot dou g by dou t. And third one, dou by dou t of f cross g equal to dou f by dou t cross g plus f cross dou g by dou t. Next fourth one, dou by dou t of pi f. Here pi is a scalar function. Then pi f dou pi by dou t into f plus pi into dou f by dou t. So dou by dou t of lambda f. Here lambda is a scalar function. Then lambda into dou f by dou t. So this is next. Suppose here some other functions. Suppose let f equal to f1. Here f is a vector function, f1 I bar plus f2j plus f3k. Here f equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3k, where f1 comma f2 and f3. Here f1, f2, f3 are differential scalar functions. Differential scalar functions. Differential scalar functions of more than one variable t. More than one variable t. Then dou f by dou t equal to I bar into dou f1 by dou t plus j bar into dou f2 by dou t plus k bar into dou f3 by dou t. So here let f bar equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3k, and here f1, f2, f3 are differential scalar functions, and here one or more variable than t. Then dou f by dou t equal to I bar into dou f1 by dou t plus j into dou f2 by dou t plus k into dou f3 by dou t. So another one is here, suppose dou square f by dou x square. Dou square f by dou x square is simply written as dou by dou x into dou f by dou x. Here dou square f by dou x square means the second partial derivative, the second order partial derivative. So first one is here given, f is given, then dou f by dou x. This is the first partial derivative, and then the second partial derivative means dou square f by dou x square. So dou square f by dou x square is, it is simply written as dou by dou x of dou f by dou x. So this is dou square f by dou x square. Suppose another one is dou square f by dou x into dou y. Dou square f by dou x into dou y equal to dou by dou x. This is the first derivative, partial derivative of dou f by, this is the second one is dou f. So dou square f by dou x into dou y is simply written as dou by dou x of dou f by dou y. So another one is, suppose dou square f by dou y into dou z. This is simply written as dou by dou y into dou f by dou z. So this is the another formula. Now problem based on the partial differentiation. So here students, suppose if f bar equal to some vector function 2x square y minus x power 4y into whole into I bar. F bar equal to 2x square y minus x power 4 into I bar plus e power xy minus y sin x into j bar. E power xy minus y sin x into j plus x square cos y into k. X square cos y into k. Then find dou square f by dou x square. Find dou square f by dou x square. So already we know that here dou square f by dou x square means dou by dou x of dou f by dou x. First given here f is given, then first we calculate the partial derivative of dou f by dou x. Here some value. Then again dou square f by dou x square means dou by dou x of dou f by dou x. So then find dou square f by dou x square. So this is the main formula. Dou square f by dou x square equal to dou by dou x of dou f by dou x. Students, coming to the solution, here given f equal to 2x square y minus x power 4 into whole into j plus e power xy minus y sin x into j plus x square cos y into k. So here first of all calculate dou f by dou x. Here dou f by dou x, here f equal to 2x square y minus x power 4. Here partial differentiating with respect to x. Here 2y constant, then x square means 2x minus x power 4 means 4x cube into I bar plus here with respect to x e power xy means e power xy with respect to xy, that means x1 into y minus y constant sin means cos x whole into j bar plus here with respect to x square means 2x cos y constant into k. So this is 4xy minus 4x cube whole into I bar plus here y e power xy minus y cos x whole into j plus 2x cos y into k. This is the value of dou f by dou x. Now next calculate dou square f by, I calculate dou square f by dou x square. It is simply written as dou by dou x of dou f by dou x. That means dou by dou x of, here already calculated dou f by dou x. So this is 4xy minus 4x cube into I plus y e power xy minus y cos x into j plus 2x cos y into k. So this is the value of dou f by dou x. Now partial differentiating with respect to x, that means dou by dou x of this function. So with respect to x, here 4 into 1 into y minus 4 into 3x square whole into I plus with respect to x, here y is constant and e power xy means e power xy. With respect to x, x is 1 into y minus here y constant cos x is minus sin x into j plus with respect to x, 2x means 2 into cos y into k is constant. So here 4y minus this is 12x square whole into I plus here y into y square e power xy, next minus of minus plus y into sin x whole into j plus here 2 cos y into k. So this is the value of dou square f by dou x square. So students, here given f equal to some function in terms of I, j, k and dou f by dou x equal to first partial differentiating with respect to x, then we get finally it is 4xy minus 4x cube into I plus y into e power xy minus y cos x into j plus 2x into cos y into k. So similarly dou square f by dou x square equal to dou by dou x of dou f by dou x. So with respect to dou f by dou x is already calculated, then dou by dou x of this value is dou f by dou x. So with respect to x, then finally dou square f by dou x square equal to 4y minus 12x square into y plus y square into e power xy plus y into sin x into j plus 2 into cos y into k. So this is the value of dou square f by dou x square. Next, coming to the problem, here suppose some if a bar equal to 2t I bar plus 3t square j plus 4k and some b equal to t square I minus 3j plus 4t k bar. Then find first of all a plus b. First one a plus b. Suppose here 2ti plus 3t square j plus 4k plus t square I minus 3j plus 4tk. This is here 2ti plus here t square I, finally 2t plus t square into I, here 3t square and here minus 3, so 3t square minus 3 into j, plus here 4k and here 4tk, then 4 plus 4t into k. This is the value of a plus b, and again similarly a minus b. So now we calculate another one. Is suppose here a minus b equal to, so here a minus b equal to 2ti minus plus 3t square j plus 4k minus of t square I plus 3j minus 4tk. So we get 2ti, here t is minus t square I, that means 2t minus t square into I. Next here 3t square here plus 3, so finally 3t square plus 3 into j. So suppose some 4 minus 4t into k. So this is the addition of two vectors and this is subtraction of two vectors. Already we know that a cross b as the above problem. Here cross means I, j, k, and here the elements of a1, suppose a2 and a3, that means the elements of a, and this is b, b1, b2 and b3. Already we calculated the above problem, hence it is a cross b. So students, in this session is completed. Okay.